Pair of linear equation in two variable. Exercise 3.3 NCERT textbook class 10. This is last sum, 6th problem. Read for me.
5 years hence, the age of
Jacob. Let us call him
Jack
will be 3 times of his son. Jack's age will be 3 times of his son. So he is elder. How many years? 3 years elder than his son. 5 years ago, Jack's age was 7 times of his son. What are their present age? They are asking present age. Here what we don't know is Jack's age and his son age. Which we don't know, we have to write it as
X.
Let the present age of Jack equals to X years. Okay.
Yeah.
And present age of his son, consider it as
Y.
years. So we have to find out the present age of Jack and his son. What we don't know, that we are going to take it as X and Y. So here they are talking about past and present. They have given past and not present in future. So first one is future. 5 years hence means future.
Past.
No, future means coming days. The age of Jack will be 3 times of his son. Here there will be 2 partition. How many years? 5 years. 5 years hence. Future means add. Add means plus, you have to take. 5 years hence, the age of Jack. Age of Jack is what? Age of Jack? X. Will be 3 times of his son. Age of Jack is X. How many years? 5 years. Future means add, plus. Okay. Here age of his son is Y. How many years? 5 years. Future means plus. 3 times of his son. The age of Jack will be 3 times. Here there is 3 times more. If you want to make the equation same, means you have to
even multiply 3.
Make this also 3 times more. So multiply by 3. Now solve it. X plus 5, 3 y's are 3y, 3 5's are 15. X equals to 3y plus 15. When this 5 crosses the border, sign will change.
Minus 5.
3y 15 minus 5 is 10. Sign will be higher number sign. We got the first equation.
Yeah.
Second equation will be from second statement. 5 years ago. Here they are talking about 5 years ago. Ago means 5 year ago. Means past. Past means minus. So Jack age was 7 times of his son. Jack, how many years? 5 years ago means minus. Here his son Y, past means how many years? 5 years. Past means minus. 7 years, 7 times more than his son says. 7 times more. Already 7 is included here. So if you want to make the equation same, you have to multiply it by 7. You got this?
Yeah.
Here in this problem, the main thing is where this 7 will be multiplied. If you are going to multiply this 7 here means then the whole problem will go wrong. Here it is already multiplied by 7. If you want to make the equation same means you have to multiply with the son age. Okay.
Yeah.
Now solve it. This remains same. 7y minus 7 5 is 35. X, if 7y crosses the border, sign will change, and minus 35 remains here. 5 crosses the border means it will become plus 5. Now x minus 7y, and this 35 minus 5 will be 30.
30.
Higher
Minus
number
30.
sign
Minus 30.
minus 30. We got second equation.
Yeah.
I'm just replacing this.
Yeah.
We got second equation. Now next step will be put the value of x in the equation 2. Equation 2. Here is the value of x. We are going to replace this x value in the place of equation 2.
Yeah.
Now copy down the equation.
X equals 7y minus 30.
In the place of x you are going to replace this one.
3y plus 10 equals
Equals to
7y minus 30.
Good. 3y, if this y 7y crosses the border, minus 7y. This remains same. If this 10 crosses the border,
Minus
sign
10.
going to change to minus 10. 7 minus 3 is 4.
4.
Higher number sign is minus. So
Minus 4y.
minus 4y. Minus minus plus.
40.
30 plus 10, 40. Higher
Minus.
number sign minus. Minus minus cancel. 4 ones are 4 tens are. What we got is y. Here y is
10.
sun age. We got sun age as 10.
10.
Now we are going to find out. We have to find out x, that is father, Jack age.
Yeah.
Once we get y, you are going to replace this y either in first or second equation. I am going to take first equation. Put the value of y in the equation 2. I mean equation 1. You can take any of these two equation.
Okay.
Copy down the equation.
X equals 3y plus 10.
X equals to, in the place of y,
10
10
plus 10.
plus 10. X equals
30.
to 3 tens are 30 plus 10.
40.
30 plus 10 will be 40. We got x. X means
Father says.
father says, Jack age.
Yeah.
So you have to complete the problem with the statement. Jacob's age equals to 40.
years.
That is x years, and son's age is 10. That is y. That will be y years. So we got x and y. You can even verify it. You want to?
Yeah.
Let us see. Here 40. First statement is 5 years. Take Jack age for 40 and son age as 10.
10.
So 5 years. 5 years ago means minus
Minus 5.
less 35. Even here minus 5 means 5. Ago means minus make it 5 years less. You have make it 5 years less here. Then 5 sevens are
35.
5 sevens are 35. See here. Jacob's age is 7 times of his son. You got it. And the first one, 5 years. You just add 5 years. Then 45.
Yeah.
Add 5 years. 15 years. Now 3 times more. 5 threes are 15 threes are 45.
45.
Here what they have told. 3 times of his son age. You got the answer.
Yeah.
Once you verified, you'll know by yourself. How is the problem?
It's easy now.